Hello and welcome to Operation Crypto and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to take a look at the graph. We'll have a look at some key statistics first and then do some price analysis. Have a look at some potential areas that you could invest and some targets going forward. First up, please make sure you do hit that like button, that you are subscribed to my channel, and let's crack on. So starting off on CoinMarketCap, we'll just have a brief overlook at the market. As you can see, market dominance is at 60%. It is slightly different to TradingView. I think TradingView is around 61%. If you look at the total market cap of all cryptocurrency, we are just shy of $1.5 trillion, and we have 33,000 different markets. So things are starting to get tasty now. Altcoins are popping off everywhere. The market cap is increasing. Dominance is dropping, which is good for altcoins. So things are looking good. So today we're going to take a look at graph. We'll have a look at some key statistics first. So if we just type in GRT and let's have a look what's going on here. It does say that there's also an earn campaign going on, so we check the details there if you're looking to get hold of some free graph. So the price today is $2.61. If we just look at the Explorer, it is on Etherscan, so it is a ERC20 token built on the Ethereum blockchain. We have 37% update today. The rank is 26 out of all cryptocurrencies. There's a maximum supply of 10 billion GRT, and currently there's only 12% of those in circulation. We have 1.2 billion in circulation. The 24-hour volume is massively up. We are 91% up, around $4.2 billion, and that brings the market cap today to $3.2 billion, which is absolutely massive to say this project. It's not been around too long. If we just look back on the chart here, I think it goes from December. So we don't have a great deal of data to analyze, but we're going to analyze it anyway and have a look at some targets we can go for. One point to look at here is the all-time high, and that was this morning. We did it $2.88, so that does give us another target to go for. If you're looking to get a hold of graph and you do not hold any already, we are on some of the big exchanges out there. So we are on Binance, Coinbase Pro, Kraken, KuCoin, on all the major exchanges. We have at least 74 different pairs. So if you're looking to get hold of it, it's fairly simple. But I do recommend Binance. It is getting 24% of the entire market volume there. If you're not on Binance already, you will find the link for that in the pinned comment and the description of this video. So that's some of the key statistics of GRT. We'll jump over to TradingView now and do a bit of price analysis. So this is GRT versus Tether on Binance for weekly time frame. As you can see, 14th of December we was listed, so we do not have much data at all, and we can't even really plot any support and resistance levels. I mean, we have got a weekly level of support down at this level. If you look here, these two areas, both acted as a resistance there, so that has flipped to support. So we'll just change that to a weekly level. I can't see us coming back down there, to be honest. That's down at 78 cents. So we'll drop into a daily time frame, have a look what's going on here. To be honest, I can't see us hitting any levels down here, but let's just have a quick look. If you've got any levels, nothing down there. So drop right into a 4-hour time frame. This has been on an absolutely mammoth move. I mean, we did drop down to that weekly support at 78 cents back on the 7th of February, which was, what date are we on now? That was 4 days ago. So if we just look at that in a price perspective, from current prices down to them prices there, we have done a 270% increase, which is quite big, to be honest. So we just need to be aware that profit taking may happen at some point. We have popped up to $2.88 and we are starting to retrace a little bit. So what we need to do is have a look at some potential areas that we could invest. I do not see us coming back down to this level, but you never know. If the market ends up dropping like a lead balloon, you could potentially fill some orders, but I don't believe we'll go down there. So let's just drop into 1 hour. And what we can see is here we had a move here, we drop back down, and then this is the start of a new move. So what I'm going to do is put the Fibonacci on from those levels. So if we take this level here, that was a bottom at the start of a move, up to that top wick there. So as you can see, we hit that, we retrace a little bit, we pop back up, and then we are retracing here. So usually if I'm looking to purchase and I see a project that's done a fairly significant move, I would look to target this area here, so $2.27, but The market is quite bullish at the minute. I mean, if you're looking on the hourly here, you could take this as a full move, but we have done a retracement on there, so this is the best place to go. So $2.27 could be a good area to potentially fill some orders if the market does allow. I mean, personally, we have done a 38% retracement here, so this could be a good area to buy. Let's just drop back into a 4 hour a second. Yeah, that looks about right, to be honest. I think that move there, we could come down to that 618. 618 level is quite a significant area to potentially place some orders there. But what we need to do though now is to have a look at some potential areas to target. And for this, we will use the extensions on the Fibonacci. I have manually put in, if we just click on the fib here, I have manually put in minus 0.27 and a minus 0.618. That, when you put a retracement on, also gives you extensions to target on the way up. So I think that $3 is the main target to go for here. Once you do break above $3, so let's put that as the first initial target. Crypto loves round and psychological numbers, so that is the first target to get through. Once we do break through there, then we can look at these fib extensions. So we have $3.15, $3.49, but I am putting a quite a big target on this. I do think that we will hit $5. If we do start pushing up and continue this momentum, I do think we will hit that within the next 2 weeks. So let's just monitor that price. That's my 2-week target. If we do break above that target within the next 2 weeks, I will do some further price analysis and identify some higher targets to go for. Because this is a new project, I mean, there's a long way to go. We've got 2 months of data. This project is just getting out of a starting block, so there's a long way to go. $5, in my opinion, will be absolutely smashed out of park at some point. I'm not going to give any price predictions yet, but I will give a price prediction video later on in a new video. So that is some price analysis there for USDT pair. We have the $2.27 entry point, first target at $3, and my 2 weekly target is $5 there. So that's for USDT pair. If we just have a look at the BTC pairing, because I know some people do trade in BTC. We'll have a look at that chart there. Scroll down to the bottom. So, so this is a BTC pairing. This has gone vertical as well. It looks absolutely class. Let's just have a look on the daily time frame. What a move that has been. Again, we've wicked right up to 6,121 satoshis, so that is the first target to break through, really. But let's just drop into the hourly. We have done a bit of a retracement here, popped up, and we are starting to retrace the same as the USDT pair. So let's have a look at this move here from there up to those all-time highs. We are currently on a 38% retracement. That's at 5,199 satoshis. We did pop up to 236 level at 5,550, but we have rejected off that. So the chances we may come down to 618 level, which is 4,631 satoshis. The chances are that we could pop back down there. And I mean, if we just put that as some arrows on to show you what could potentially happen, we could pop down into this area. I will leave this on, and then we could start creating new highs. I think 6,000 satoshis is a first major target. Once we do break above that, we've got 7,000 satoshis there. We've also got the minus 0.27 Fibonacci, and then the 618 level. So we'll put this here. We'll have that as the first major target at 7,604 satoshis. Once we do start pushing up to there, I will jump on another video and do some further price analysis on the BTC pairings. If we just have a bit of a zoom out, them arrows won't mean anything on that. Let's just go back to the 4 hour. So that is a potential setup there. If you are looking to, I'm not too sure if leverage trading is available for GRT, but if it is, you could have a potential setup like this on BTC pairing. You could have a long position from here with a target to there and put the stop loss at about 5% below it, just in case the market does drop. So you've got a potential 63% move up there to my first target. So that could be a good setup, and you could do the same for the USDT pair. If we just take a look at that again, where's GRT? There it is. So you could again have a potential long position from this level up to the first target, which is $3, and have a 5% stop loss there, which is yeah, around $2.15. So you could have an entry at $2.28 with a stop loss at $2.15 and a take profit at $3. So that could be a potential setup if the market does allow. So that's the analysis on the graph today. If you do have any questions with regards to the graph or any other projects you would like me to check out with regards to price analysis or fundamental analysis, then drop into my Telegram group, which is the Crypto Troops. You will find that link in the pinned comment and the description. So that's going to do it for today's video. Please make sure that you do like this video, that you are subscribed to my channel, and I'll catch you next time.